Welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, and I'm streaming live on twitch.tv/pezliz. In Printing Color is a weekly show where I get to showcase the beautifully amazing filaments that Polymaker has to offer. And this evening, we're going to be talking about something that's a little bit mysterious, a little bit befuddling sometimes. But it is an absolutely gorgeous color filament. I've printed my chocolate bunny earrings here in it. I've printed this actually overture filament, a chocolate bunny in that filament. And of course, I choose to do lots of chocolate things in this color. But this color has a name that might confuse you. So what we're talking about is Polymaker's Galaxy Dark Red. So Galaxy Dark Red is kind of an April Fool's joke, I think. As you can see, it is a very dark red. So dark red that it is definitely chocolate. So the awesome squad from Polymaker has affectionately renamed this Intergalactic Chocolate. And if you can see here, this color is a gorgeous, gorgeous, shiny, shimmery, brownish color. I guess brown, red, same family. Now, if you are looking for a beautiful Galaxy Red filament, there is a Hedgehog makes Galaxy Red, which is a gorgeous filament, which you can also purchase from Polymaker. But if we take a look here, there are other colors of Galaxy filament. And if you're not familiar with Galaxy, it is beautiful colors with some silver sparkle. And the nice thing about the sparkle that is in Galaxy filaments is that it does not hurt your nozzle. It is suggested that you use a 0.4 nozzle to reduce the risk of clogging. But I will say with 4 years of printing with this filament, I have not had any of those issues. But always err on the side of caution, use your 0.4 nozzle. And of course, when you're finished printing with a Galaxy filament, you definitely want to run at least a little bit of a different color filament to make sure there's nothing built up on your nozzle. But if you take a look at the Galaxies, they are absolutely stunning filaments. But the one that we're talking about tonight is the Galaxy Dark Red. And it is a fun filament. So as you can see, Polymaker even believes that it's a chocolate color with that bunny. So I have printed quite a few things in this filament over the years, making it the best chocolate filament that I can find. Polymaker does have a beautiful from the PLA family, some beautiful browns. There's some beautiful matte browns, all sorts of fun choices. But I would say that this is one of my favorites, and not an April Fool, but Galaxy Dark Red. Print your chocolate bunnies, print your fun chocolate prints, or anything brown with this. Choose your own adventure, but have fun and happy printing. There's me. There's a bunny.